Hello friends, welcome to this video, and in this video we will discuss about how you can make a setup in OBS studio like this. Okay, so you can see yourself what exactly is happening. At the same time you can pointer as well. Okay, you can just show you can show the PPT and you can teach the things. Okay, so if you are a online tutor and where you wanted to take a lecture online, then this setup is very much required for you, because here you can place yourself and do a green screen effect, okay, without using any green background. And in background your PPT will be running. Okay, so your movement will be captured over here in this box, and actual PPT will run over here. So to do this, what I did, I will tell you now. So I created a new scene where I added a two window capture device. Okay. So for second one, if you see, I already given a PowerPoint slide. So I opened the PowerPoint and ran that PowerPoint slide in let's say full screen mode, actually, where we do the slideshow. And then I added that as a window capture over here. Okay, second thing which I did is I created a Zoom meeting. We are not going to let's say join any meeting, but I wanted to use that Zoom camera where it will automatically remove the background from, let's say, automatically remove the background, right? So I wanted to use that and I wanted to use that Zoom in this. Okay, so you can see over that I created a window what is a Zoom .exe, and you can see that it is I need to use this window 10, and this setting basically I need to use it. Okay, you can play with it as well and do the fine tune. Okay, but I think this looks okay, this looks better. Okay, what I did over here in this, you need to go to I applied a filter as well. So in the filter I applied the green screen, and I did this setting as well. And yeah, I applied the chroma key. Okay, so what I did, I will go to Zoom now, and what exactly I did, that I will tell you. Okay, so this is my PPT which is running. I can move forward and backward with this, and still you are seeing over here. But if I will in OBS Studio, I think you can see me over here itself. I can see myself over here in the, because Zoom will pop up an extra window to see yourself, right? So there I can see this as well. But I think you will not be able to see that window, but while running the PPT I can still see myself. Okay, so that is the biggest advantage of this method, where I can, while running the PPT, I can see myself as well. So it will serve the two purpose. One is I can see myself how exactly it is going, and second thing is it will remove the background. So if I wanted, if I can use some I can use the epic pen tool as well to highlight the things, let's say. So I wanted to do say that this is the bootloader type which I wanted to use. I wanted to type something, I wanted to say something. Okay, I wanted to highlight and give a box that now it will do like that. So while running the PPT itself, you can explain the things better. So this is the again advantage of this method. Okay, I will show you the zoom setting now. Okay, so I am going to minimize all the screen. Now I think you will not be able to see the zoom setting, because I am already running the recording with OBS Studio now. Okay, so I need to separately show you those settings. But in the Zoom setting, in the Zoom, basically you need to go there, create a new meeting, and you need to set as a background, you need to create a one image which is of green screen, and apply that image in a background. And then you apply or let's say that you apply a chroma key in OBS Studio, and that background will be removed. Okay, so that's all you need to do. Probably in the next video I will show you how you, what are the zoom setting you need to do. That also I will show you. Let's see, if you like this video, then you can just subscribe to my channel, you give a thumbs up. I used to make this kind of video, and if you want to get notification, you can get the notification as well. So thanks for watching this video, and I will close this session now. Thank you.